Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share this gorgeous New Year's Eve party makeup look with you, which I have created using only Swiss Beauty makeup products. And I have kept two lip options with this look. One is a muted red lip and the other one is a peachy nude lip, which you can surely pair up with this gorgeous metallic grayish smoky eyes. And I have only used all of these Swiss Beauty products which the brand has sent me over to create this look. I'm going to talk about each and every product, at the same time show you the tutorial of this look. It's a complete beginners friendly makeup look, guys, because the products are super duper affordable. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to try out is Swiss Beauty's Face and Body Highlighter, and this one is number 03 called Bronze, which comes in a beautiful glass bottle, very luxe packaging with a pump. And you can see this is in number 03 called Bronze, which is darker than my skin tone. It's perfect for the dusky skin beauties out there. It's a liquid highlighter, but it is not having that super duper chunky glitter particles in it. It adds a beautiful glow to your skin. You can apply it on your body as your body highlighter, or else you can mix in with your foundation to add glow to your foundation. So you can see I have taken 2 pumps of my regular foundation and mixed in a single pump of this particular highlighter into my foundation, and I'm applying it with the help of my fingertips on my face. And you can automatically see it has made my foundation look so glowy, so dewy on my skin, guys. So using a liquid highlighter into your foundation makes your foundation look really dewy and glowy, which I absolutely love. This is not having shimmers in it, not chunky glitter particles in it, but it gives beautiful glow to your skin, guys. So I wish that I get the shade number 02, but this one is in number 03, which is perfect for the dusky skin beauties out there. The next product that I'm going to try out is Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer. This one is in number 03 called Light Moine. This is lighter than my skin tone, so I'm going to use it as my highlighting concealer, but it is having really nice golden undertone. So if you belong to fair medium skin tones, you can surely try out this particular shade. I'm going to use it just a little bit underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, or on my mouth, on my cupid's bow. I'm going to blend the same out with the help of my foundation blending brush, and you can see this gives me more like medium coverage. Surely you can build this up and make full coverage on your skin, but I really like how it's actually work on my skin, so I'm not building this up. It adds beautiful glow to my skin as well. It's non-cakey, blends effortlessly on my skin, guys, and I don't find anything bad about this particular concealer. I have already set my face using my regular powder. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using Swiss Beauty's exclusive eye color palette in number 03, which comes in this beautiful packaging having 12 eyeshadow pans in it. And this is a perfect, like a complete neutral smoky eyeshadow palette, perfect for the beginners out there, because the color selection is really good. You can create everyday kind of eye looks as well as eye looks for special occasions. The pigmentation is also decent, perfect for the beginners. So at first I'm taking this cool tone brown shade. It's a matte brown color, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna apply it in my crease and also a little bit over my crease, basically as my transition color, just blending it back and forth. And you can see the pigmentation is really good. The colors are not at all patchy, easy to work with, and also it is blending beautifully in my crease, guys. Now I'm going to take this light beige brown matte shade from the palette, and with the help of a same fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply just a little above my crease. Basically I'm just blending out my transition shade one more time to make everything look seamless. Now I'm going to take this particular matte black shade from the palette, which is basically a kind of grayish matte black having grayish shimmer particles in it, guys, which is so unique. And using a flat shader brush, I'm just applying it on all over my eyelid, slowly depositing the color and packing on the color on my eyelid. And you can see this particular eyeshadow palette is having really less fallout, guys. You can clearly see that on my face the fallout is really less, which I'm really liking, guys. And also with the help of the same fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that the color can get completely diffused into my transition shade. Going back to this cool tone brown shade one more time, and with the help of a tapered blending brush, I'm gonna blend out my crease and the edges so that everything looks very nicely diffused and everything looks seamless, guys, because when you are creating any kind of smoky eye look, make sure that you blend out everything really well. And I'm really liking this shimmery grayish kind of matte black shade which I have applied on all over my eyelid, guys. It has completely changed the look. Now I'm going to take this metallic gray shade from the palette, and you can see the pigmentation With the help of my fingertips, I'm gonna deposit the color just at the center of my eyelid. You can see it is really pigmented, guys. The product is having really nice metallic finish. It's not at all chunky, glittery, flaky. It is actually having that buttery smooth texture, which I'm really liking, guys. This is so affordable, but the product quality is really good. Using my blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges one more time so that everything looks seamless and well diffused and very nice, guys. And you can see this is how my eyelids are looking. Now I'm using my kajal, my regular kajal, to tightline my upper waterline, as well as also applying it on my lower waterline and lash line. You can use Swiss Beauty's Intense Gel Kajal, which is also a very good quality gel kajal. Going back to this cool tone brown shade, I'm gonna smoke out the kajal which I have applied on my lower lash line, because whenever you are creating any kind of smoky eye look, make sure that your kajal is nicely smudged and it gives you that dramatic kind of finish, which I really like, guys. So this is a kind of hack which I always carry out whenever I'm creating any kind of smoky eye look. Going back to the black shade, matte black shade, I'm gonna deposit it very close to my lashes to create that very intense kind of smoky look on my lower lash line. You can use deeper browns for this look as well. Taking that metallic gray shade from the palette, I'm gonna apply it just on the central portion of my lower lash line in order to match with my lid color. And you can see it is also working so well with the help of my small smudging brush. And the application is so easy, guys. You can hardly see any fallout on my skin. The quality of the eyeshadows is amazing, guys. Swiss Beauty's HD Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Oh my god, guys, this is so pigmented. The applicator is so good, having that perfect precision, and it's a complete 100% matte liquid eyeliner, perfect for the beginners out there. So easy to travel with because of this cute little packaging. And with the help of this particular eyeliner, I'm gonna draw a beautiful winged eyeliner. Not a very long wing eyeliner, but something which is of medium size, going to look gorgeous on all type of eyes. And you can see I'm creating the wing, and the applicator is actually giving me the precision to draw that perfect wing, and it's 100% matte. So you can see I'm drawing the winged eyeliner on my left eyelid as well. It's already has turned into a matte one, and I'm really liking it, guys. I don't have to apply number of layers. One single application is more than enough. So the next one is this mascara. This is the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara, which is also very affordable, and I'm really loving the applicator of this particular mascara as well, because it actually defines my lashes, guys. The consistency is perfect, and you can see it is coating each and every lash I have. It is also adding a little bit of volume, which I think is perfect for using on an everyday basis when you want your lashes to be visible. At the same time, the color is jet black. It's not at all stubborn, very easy to use on both of your lashes, upper lashes as well as on your lower lashes. Really liking this mascara, guys. It's affordable, so you can surely check this one out. And you can see adding mascara makes a lot of difference, guys. And this is how the eye look turned out. Really loving the eyeshadows, the liner, the mascara, everything has worked so well together. Going back to the palette one more time, because I have forgotten to highlight my inner corners, for which I'm using this champagne eyeshadow from the palette. So you can make out this eyeshadow palette is just an all-in-one eyeshadow palette, because you are pretty much getting everything in this palette, like brown shades, gray shades, black shade. And I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the help of this same champagne color and blending it really well. Now I'm going to use my lipstick as my blush today, for which I'm using Swiss Beauty's HD Matte Lipstick in the shade Peach Day. And you guys know that this is my favorite Swiss Beauty lipstick. I already have a backup of this one. I'm applying it on my cheeks and blending out the same with the help of my stippling brush. This is a beautiful, like a deep peachy pink color, having that warm undertone, going to rock on all skin tones out there. Perfect for pairing with this kind of eye look. You can use any kind of peachy blush with this look, guys. Going back to the highlighter one more time, I'm going to take just a little bit of this at the back of my hand. Now using my fingertips, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face in tapping motion. Since this shade is darker than my skin tone, I don't want to deposit a lot of highlighter on my highest points. So I'm just using a little bit of this to add a little bit of glow and shine to my face. On my nose, I'm going to apply it. On my cupid's bow, I'm going to apply it. This is a product which I'm introducing. This is the Swiss Beauty Gentle Makeup Remover Wipes, which comes in a pack of 25 wipes, and this is so easy to use, guys. It removes my makeup in one single go, so you can use it. I have been using it non-stop while doing my makeup to remove the products from my hands for my lips, and today I'm using it for removing my excess lip balm, and you can see it removes my makeup so well. For the lipstick, at first I'm going to use this lip liner, which is so affordable. This is only priced at ₹49. Yes, it is that kind of affordable product. It is in the shade Perfect Maroon. It's a lip liner which I'm going to use as a lipstick, but surely you can use your favorite red lipstick with this look, because makeup does not have any rules, so you can use any lip color of your choice. This one is really pigmented, not overly matte or drying matte on the lips. It applies beautifully on the lips. I'm outlining my lips and also filling my lips using this Perfect Maroon shade lip liner from Swiss Beauty, and you can see it's actually a muted red color which has got that maroon undertone, going to look gorgeous on all skin tones out there, guys. And it's really long wearing, so it's only $49, but it looks so beautiful. For the actual lipstick, I'm using Swiss Beauty's HD matte lipstick in the shade Peach Day. You guys know how much I love this formulation. It's so pigmented, one swipe pigmentation, opaque pigmentation. It gives you like a soft matte finish, and the shades are going to look gorgeous on all. You have shades for all, and this particular shade, which is the Peach Day, is actually a beautiful, like a deep peachy nude color, having pinks in it, having that warm brown undertone. So it's gonna rock on every skin tone out there, guys. Perfect for the dusky skin tones as well. And this is how it turned out. So that's it for today, guys. This is how I have created this gorgeous party makeup look using all Swiss Beauty makeup products. So the products are very affordable and are available at really good discounts on the official website of Swiss Beauty, which I'm going to link in the description box. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, guys.